Hello, this is Tony from Yorkshire here. Welcome to another update. First one of 2015, I do believe. What I've been doing this week is making some curtains for these Pullman coaches. They're only cheap railroad ones, so I thought I'd make them look a bit posher. What I did to make the curtains is I made a template just for one window, got some printer paper and just drew around the outline of the template, cut them out with a Stanley knife, no printing involved. Then I used a colouring pencil to get the folds in the curtain where the tie backs are. The tie backs are just drawn on with the black Biro. I think it's turned out okay. I've also been making some posters for these footbridges. It's only small, but you can see them if you've got some binoculars. There's some inside the bridges, but you can't see them from this angle. I think I've gone a bit over the top on this one, as one does. Well, this is the build that I made on the how-to video last week, I think. But I've changed it slightly because it didn't fit in with the rest of the buildings. So I've made the writing on the signs smaller. I made the windows smaller. I made the works entrance gate smaller. As you can see, I've put a lean-to on the side, left hand side. I've also added some chimneys to it. Looks okay now. I like it anyhow. That white thing behind the building is not a Star Wars lightsaber, it's a fluorescent tube, just in case you were wondering. I've also painted this little wagon. It was an RAF one, like a bluey grey colour. But I didn't like it, so I've painted it. Looks better now. Just got to finish the silver bits off. And I've also revarnished these three buildings and repaired them because I dropped them and damaged them slightly. But they're okay now.